You better pick up the phone, find that friend. This lady wants her engagement ring back.
I know that.
Court is calling 2025 CR 004569 State versus Jennifer Chambers. Can I have parties announced?
Alexander Cross for the defense.
And are you Ms. Chambers? Did you review I'm sorry, counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
We have, Judge.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it? Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We do, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
We are, Judge.
All right, Ms. Chambers, did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places? You're charged with theft of property, $2,500 to $30,000 as a state jail felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine. If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in, the right to remain silent. By entering this plea, you're giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case? I'm sorry?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you review the application for community supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
She has.
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
She does, Your Honor.
Do you believe she's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
She is and was, Your Honor.
Ms. Chambers, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea? Anyone promised you anything other than the plea? Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented? If you're not a U.S. citizen, by entering this plea, you will be deported, denied naturalization, and re-entry. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived the right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at 2 years in the state jail facility. There's a $1,000 fine to be probated. There's to be restitution to the complainant in the amount of $7,025. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
And I'm sorry, and the state is recommending community supervision. Is that the plea, state, and defense?
It is, Judge.
Yes, Judge.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places? By signing that, you're waiving your right to appeal. The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Outside the agreement, the state is recommending your community supervision be for a term of 3 years and there be a TAP evaluation. Did you understand those were recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, ma'am.
Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? State any evidence.
Judge, go for exhibit number 1.
No objections.
And state, have you spoken with the complainant?
Yeah.
Thank you. You may be excused. Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in, the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there'll be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. After reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty and the court will find you guilty. All right, where's her engagement ring? What did you do with it?
I had to get to a friend and
You need to go get that ring back from that friend.
I don't communicate with her anymore. I don't.
You better pick up the phone, find that friend. This lady wants her engagement ring back.
I know that. My friend, well, she's not my friend anymore, but she's currently incarcerated.
Oh, well, you don't have her family members. I don't think they let her take the ring to the prison with her.
Right.
And why did you hand this ring over to your friend?
It was just bad decisions.
No. There's a reason. If you steal something like a ring or a car and you hand it over to somebody, you're expecting something. So why did you hand her this engagement ring?
Because she said that she could be able to sell it.
All right. So here's the thing. I'm not going to sentence you yet. you're going to come in here on the day of sentencing with $7,025 because that's how much the appraisal is for that ring. And that's what you agreed to, the amount that you owe. And I'm giving you 60 days to come up with that amount. Is there anything else?
No, Your Honor.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, I need a 60-day reset. And you need to come in. State, is this by cashier's check or money order?
We have money.
All right. 60 days?
April 6th.
All right, April 6th.
Your Honor, I don't think she's gonna be able to get that amount of money in that amount of time.
April 6th, $7,025. She can either bring that or she can bring that person's engagement ring back. I think they probably prefer the engagement ring.
Your Honor, would we be able to withdraw the plea at that date?
She needs to come in with that amount.
But it's because we agreed to have the 3 years be the amount of time for her to get the money.
No.
I think we'd have to request a withdraw the plea. That was part of our agreement.
Mhm. All right. So state they want to withdraw their motion. Will you all be ready for jury trial on this tomorrow?
Tomorrow.
Yes.
Judge, I think plea has already been made on record. We're just holding it back for sentencing. They can't apply back now.
Well, here's the thing. I don't have to accept any plea bargain agreements that have been reached. What I'm telling you, though, is you're either going to come in here on February 6th with that $7,000 and $7,025 for the cost of that engagement ring, or either you need to come back here with that engagement ring and for the complainant to say, yes, this is my engagement ring. So, April 6th. And if you don't have that and you want to, I'll consider not accepting your plea and we will be going to jury on that day.
All right, thank you, Your Honor.
All right, once you sign the reset form, you're excused.